Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Today we are going to read in our English grammar book. So, all of you open your grammar book. In grammar book, today we are going to read vocabulary that is on page number 59. And the topic we are going to read that is homophones. 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 Now, what's the meaning of homophones? So, suppose I just use the word, see on the screen, if I just use the word sun and I just say you to write the spelling of sun, then what you will write? Some will write S-O-N sun, some will write S-U-N sun. Okay? If you just see both these spellings or the word S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun, both are different. This sun means the relation, and this sun is the, what we can say, the ball of fire who just give us the heat and light. This is dead sun and this is the sun daughter, dead sun. Means sun, sun. The pronunciation is same, but the spelling and the meaning is different. Spelling is different, you can see S-O-N and this is S-U-N. Here the spelling is different and the meaning is also different, but sun, sun, the pronunciation is same. So I hope you understand. These are known as the homophones. Okay, now what are the homophones? Yes, homophones, words that have same pronunciation. Words that have same pronunciation but different spellings and meanings. Different spellings and meanings are called homophones. Are called homophones. Okay? Words that have same pronunciation but different spelling and meaning are called homophones. Means जिनका pronunciation तो same है but spelling or meaning different है, they are the homophones. Now we will see here few examples. The first example, blue, blue. Both the pronunciation is same, blue, but the meaning and you can see the spelling also, B-L-U-E and this is B-L-E-W. Spelling is different but the pronunciation is same and the meaning is also different. This first one, blue, means that is the color, and this blue means past form of blow. Past form of blow. The second is here P-I-E-C-E, peace, peace. The spelling is different but the pronunciation is same, P-I-E-C-E, P-E-A-C-E, peace. And the meaning is also different. This first piece means a part of whole, means chota tukda. And this piece means absence of war, or we can say in Hindi shanti, dead peace. Okay, understand? The pronunciation same but the spelling and meaning is different. The third one is here, if we see here, M-A-I-D, made, M-A-D-E, made. Spellings are different but the pronunciation is same, made, made. And the meaning was also different. What are the meaning? First, M-A-I-D, maid, means housemaid or we can say servant. And the second, maid, means to make something. To make something. So, again it is clear that the pronunciation is same but the spelling and the meanings are different. Next example, cereal, cereal. The pronunciation is same. Now just check the spelling. C-E-R-E-A-L, S-E-R-I-A-L, cereal, cereal. Spellings are totally different. And the meaning, the first cereal means that is a kind of food. And second, serial means stories that broadcast on the TV. on a repetitive manner or on a particular time, that they are known as the cereal, and this cereal means a kind of the food. Okay. Next example, if we see here, stationery, and if we just look it closely, then we just come to know that here is only the difference of A and E. Stationery, both pronunciation is same, but we can see here the spelling is different. First, stationery means motionless. Motionless means if there is no movement, that is stationery. And second, stationery means collection of office items. Collection of office items, that like pencil, pen, papers, notebooks, this type of items. Okay. Let's see more examples. Now the next example, if we see, the pronunciation is waste. Both pronunciation is same, but if we see the spelling, W-A-S-T-E, waste, W-A-I-S-T, waste, means the spellings are totally different, but the pronunciation is same and the meaning is also different. First, waste means not useful. The thing that is not useful, it means waste. Second, W-A-I-S-T, waste means this is the part of the body. We can just say the middle part, means the mid part of ribs and hip, that is the narrow, that part is known as the waist. After that, number 7, one more example, if we see, P-R-E-Y, pray, P-R-A-Y, pray. Pronunciation same, but the spelling difference is here. First, pray means to hunt someone or something, or to kill someone or something, but the second, pray, means worship. So I hope all of you understand that in the homophones the pronunciation are same, but their spellings and their meanings are different. Now let's do one exercise from our book. We can see here the sentence is written, Pallavi wants a dash of chocolate cake. Pallavi wants. Now what she wants? Which piece? Both her piece. Pallavi wants a. This piece means absence of war. Now chocolate, there is not a war. So here the piece means a small part. Second, did you see the card that Rehan MAID made for his teacher? This maid means servant. Did you see the card means MADE, maid will come here. After then, the next is, I usually have a bowl of dash and milk for breakfast. This serial means story that just telecast or broadcast on the TV. So do you take it in the breakfast? No. So this cereal is wrong. So this cereal a part of or a kind of food. After then, the next is, we bought many things at the new dash shop. So here E. This stationery means office item and this stationery means motionless. So office item things we have bought. So here will come ERY, stationery. Now the next question, number 5. These trousers fit me at. Trousers fit, but they are too long. This waist means not useful, and this waist means the part of the body, the narrow part of the body between the ribs and the hips. So here WAIST, waist. Next is, the tiger crouched silently getting ready to spring at his, means going to attack. And to whom it will attack? Prey and prey. This prey means worship and this prey means to kill someone. So the answer is PREY, prey. I hope all of you understand the meaning of homophones. Again I am repeating, what is the meaning of homophone? Homophones are the words that have same pronunciation but different spelling. And different meaning are known as homophones. Okay, just practice at your home and do this work in your notebook. Thank you.